Right, we're rolling now, recording. Right, welcome back to the channel, and we are currently in, is it Howe Forest, down near Eskdale in Cumbria, on the hunt for the spirit of the serial killer Derrick Bird, who back in 2010 brutally shot 12 people and injured another 11. Went on a bit of a rampage. We believe somewhere here in this forest that he shot himself when the police were chasing after him. So we've come to try and communicate with him and see if his spirit might be still hanging around here. So yeah, we've got the spirit talker app on in my pocket, and we're being eaten alive by midges. So basically, this guy just snapped and went and shot his brother, I think 11 times.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do understand. And then he went and shot his solicitor, and went into a rampage after that, just basically shooting people in and around Whitehaven, Egremont, Seascale. How far into the woods should we go?
I don't know.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I need to be careful because, like, look how spongy the undergrowth is. Yeah, I don't know how far into it we should be going. I mean, this isn't even on a track, is it? I know, I'm thinking that's a bit well dodging it.
Have a mushroom.
Yeah, it's quite, I mean, I can see why he would come here.
William.
So this is got the Spirit Talk app on, trying to get something. We're here to talk to Derrick Bird. Derrick, if you're here, you can come forward and talk to us. We'd love to know why you did what you did. Why you brutally murdered 12 innocent people.
Children are playing.
My name's Nicola.
My name's Hayley.
And we welcome you to come and sit with us here. There's a nice cushioned seat there. Oh wow, look at that. We're not here to mock, we're just here to document.
No judgment.
Just to find out why you did what you did.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Get the water on
Ah, the Jew's really nice, isn't it? It's really peaceful here. Derrick, are you here with us? We invite you to come and sit with us. I don't know how far down I want to go, like, 'cause it's... So we try the S box, see if we can get anything from this. You alright? You got anything on that? Him? Who's him? I've got a radio here, you can use this to communicate with us.
S-Box. Scanning. FM.
Try FM, because we've got nothing on these. Will you be able to come forward? This is your chance to tell everyone your story of why you did what you did. Hello? Is there anybody here in these woods with us? Somebody there. Can you speak clearer? Clearer? You hear somebody? Distant, huh? Hello? Is that a woman's voice? Who's here with us? always wonder down there. Oh, just walk through that spider web.
I've walked through loads.
Went up my nose. Is anybody in this forest with us?
It's a bad idea.
Isn't it there? Don't be afraid. My name's Nicola, paranormal investigator. You want to come and talk to us? Is that like a rock?
Pottery.
The reason why I'm moving around so we don't get stuck in one place, we get stung by these midges. Again, we're trying to speak to Derrick Bird. Are you here? Put it down there, in that area. If anyone's here, come towards us. Light that device down there on the ground.
It's so nice to talk.
Hello? Hello? Is there anybody here? What? Nothing here? You know what I said before, the spirit talker? What that spirit talker just said there, my lungs collapsed. Really eerie in here, like, isn't it?
Yeah, I keep hearing someone talking.
What, out of, where?
Around here, not on that.
Do you? Right, okay, I'll tell you what we'll do then.
Put your thing on.
Let's get the voice recorder on and see if we
Because
can...
we're far enough away from the actual main track.
Yeah,
On the road.
no, good idea.
I
I see, it's hard for me to hear anything outside of...
What's that? That tree with holes in.
Where?
Is that the tree you mentioned? The hole in it and blood. Or you were joking.
Yeah, I don't think that's it's a long time if blood's gonna lie there.
Well, it's still got a hole in it.
So we're gonna use the voice recording app there. Right, so is there anybody here in this Wood Widows? Anybody at all who'd like to come forward and talk to us? My name's Nicola.
My name's Hayley.
You can use this device in my hand. If you say your name out loud or speak right now, we can hear you, possibly hear you. If you'd like to try, you can use our energy. Is there anybody here in this Wood Widows? Anybody at all who'd like to come forward and talk to us? My name's Nicola.
My name's Hayley.
You can use this device in my hand. If you say your name out loud or speak right now, we can hear you, possibly hear
Be very, very careful.
If you'd like to try, you can use our energy. Who do you have to be careful about? Who's here with us? Should we be worried? Is this where Derrick Bird's body was found after he shot himself? Do you mind us being here?
Bird.
That would have been mental if that's in Bird. Then my heart would have stopped. Are we looking in the wrong place for Derrick?
S-Box. Scanning FM. Scanning AM.
Damage.
Yeah, Derrick Bird did damage. He damaged a lot of people's lives.
Good morrow.
Hello? I wonder if we're looking in the wrong place. What are you going to say?
Oh no, I can see all those dead branches and loads of trees have been.
Did we hear your voice? That's the little train hooting away.
I want my life back.
You want your life back? Who are we talking to?
Skinwalkers around.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of skinwalkers around. It's like Resident Evil in some parts of the country. An edge, I don't know, I feel really, just feel really anxious at the minute. Rolling again. We just done a quick battery check, changeover, and we are now heading out of the forest because we're not getting much relevant information. We've still got the Spirit Talk app on. So yeah, so this is basically the area where he was found, where he'd shot himself. After some, I think the ordeal went on. Well, it started early hours of the morning and it finished. I think they found him around 12, 1 o'clock. If you can't get out that way, in the afternoon. So yeah, this was a try area to see if we could possibly find anything out. I think we can get out this way, the way we came. You alright?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not walking into that spider web. So yeah, I've got a picture of the guy on my phone. I'm just gonna put it up to the camera so you can see who this guy is. This is the guy who we're trying to make contact with.
Is that the waterfall?
What's that? Wow, that's pretty. Have you tried the K2 meter in here?
Where is it?
Oh,
You took it back.
yeah, just out of curiosity. Are you alright? Yeah, no, they're pretty
Slippy.
pretty bluffy, yeah. Yeah, just time to put a little. This is like this you could
Yeah,
have.
this is a path.
You
Look.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm doing look at that. Yeah, because like this would make sense. So he could have possibly run up there, this path, because he basically came up here, and once he realised the police were after him, because it's basically like a road just across there. So yeah, just do a little sweep. See if we get any hits in here with this. Because this would be more of a place, wouldn't it? Like where
Well, you
you
could hide.
yeah.
The leg down.
Nothing. Absolute zilch.
Has this gone to sleep?
It's not on. So you need to press that. After you know it's on when that goes up and
I was
down.
going to say.
Right, okay. So nothing in there. I mean, we don't know the location exact. We're just trying to see if we could. So obviously this is the path he would have taken. There's only one way into this area as far as I'm aware. I mean, it would be a good place to run. So basically he crashed his car further down in the lane, and then came up here on foot. But we've got no spikes whatsoever on this, so I reckon what was that saying?
Memories here.
Good memories, I hope. So yeah, as you can see, there's a car just gone past there. So there's a main road, well, like a little road down there, but we've got nothing, no hits whatsoever on this. What?
I like the lights.
If you like the lights, can you make them change colour by going near them? Because we're just about to leave this area now. If you can do it, I would be very grateful. They won't hurt you, you just need to go near them, they'll just light up. Just indicates that you're there with us. Or here with us. Well, if you'd like to take my hand, I don't mind. I'll put my hand out. We're going to go now, so you only get this one chance.
Whoa!
What?
That acorn nearly hit me.
You just land on your head?
Jesus.
No, absolutely nothing on the K2 meter. So I think we're going to wrap this video up and see if we can find another location and try and we're not going to give up on this one. I'm not going to give up on this one, so we'll try and find another location where we can possibly communicate with Derrick, the serial killer. And oh, look at that black slug.
I've seen loads of
Oof.
big black ones.
Vile. So yeah, this was worth coming out and just checking it out, but obviously we haven't seemed to get anything on anything, to be fair. So we're just gonna wrap this video up. It was nice to get out in the fresh air anyhow.
Please go right.
We will be going right, thank you, because that's where we parked the car. And yeah, so hopefully we can add some more to this video and see if we can get a better communication from a different location, because these are the locations we could try. What's that?
That's a digger, isn't it?
Yeah, there's the pedal and the gear thing. Why is it just left here? Didn't spot that on the way in. Is that the way out? Yeah, okay. So yeah, again these are way out here, yeah. Well, yeah, it's a bit random.
Electric shark.
Just try and get our way out. As for the scenery here, it's absolutely stunning. I'll give you a little blast of where we are. Maybe that's what it means, electric shark. We probably it's got a chain on. We should be able to get round it. It's just got one of those little chains on that you should be able to, yeah, should be able to just unhook it and maybe not. Can we get round it though? I don't know. Yeah, we'll just squeeze through here. Oh. Watch you don't rip your trousers on there. Absolutely beautiful location here. Do you want me to help you? Watch that.
Share my story.
Well, we will. So yeah, this is the location where we are today. Watch your trousers. Are we done?
We are? Wow.
And like I say, it's absolutely beautiful down here. We'll heading back to the car and see if we can get a different location. So yeah, that was that. Like I say, the forest and you're welcome. That's the coolest human bell I've ever heard in my life.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to cut this video now. We'll get a little bit down here and let you have a look at the view as well while you're here. Oh, I've got something stuck in my shoe. You can see like where the forest goes quite far back, doesn't it? All the way up there.
Yeah. Where's my body?
Well, I haven't got it, so don't look at me. Absolutely stunning today, isn't it? Really warm as well. Right, I'm going to cut this video.